Hello, my name is Dr. Adams, and I'm a dentist at Maryland Holistic Dentist Implant Center. And today I'm just going to go over the basic full mouth dental implant options. This is the option we call all on four. And basically, what it is it is a full mouth implant bridge. I'm going to spin this around so you can see it from the top. And you can see the little holes in here. And basically what this is I'm going to remove it so you can see it. Let's look at the bottom of it. And we'll look at the top of it. And, like I said, it's just a one-piece bridge. And what the dentist does is they'll place 4 implants. I most of the time will place 5 or 6 because I think 4 is the bare minimum. It's nice to have a couple more. And once these implants are healed, the dentist will take this bridge and it'll get permanently placed on top of the implants. There's little screws that go in these holes, and these bridges are permanently placed and they do not have to be taken in and out. These bridges these days are made of zirconia, which is a specialized ceramic. It's very thin, it's very smooth, it's very strong, it does not stain, and it feels like high quality teeth that are not plastic. The next option is the so-called Snap-on denture, and these teeth are made of acrylic or plastic. They come off of the implants. On top of the implants are these little snaps, and these are also called locator abutments. And long story short, they're male attachments. And then inside of the denture, there are these female attachments that you can really see up and in there. There's this little metal housing with a plastic insert, and you can actually put different inserts in there. These inserts need to be replaced every 6 months. It's not that big of a deal. I normally replace them when patients come in for their dental cleanings. You still have to clean around the implants, incidentally. But these teeth, you'll take them and they will literally get put down on top of the abutments and snap down. That's why they get called snaps. The best system today for these Snap-on dentures is made by this company called Zest Anchors, and they really work great. These dentures are removable, but people that have suffered with poor fitting dentures for years and years and years, this has really done a nice job of stabilizing the denture. They don't come out while you're eating, they don't fall out while you're talking. They've really gotten rid of denture glue. These are far less expensive because the plastic, acrylic is much less expensive. The plastic teeth are they're bought and then inserted into the acrylic plastic matrix. These dentures typically have fewer implants, or these full mouth cases typically have fewer implants. This one has 2, it's a lower denture. Typically, well, sometimes you can put 2 more implants in the back. For a top implant denture, you normally will have to go to 4 implants. Most people will not like to have the denture covering the palate. So if you go to an upper denture and you don't have, the 2 implants in the back, you'll have to have the prosthesis covering the palate. That's just the way that works. So anyway, those are the 2 different full mouth implant options. There is one other option that we will frequently do, and that is we can put in more implants, like 3 implants in the back, and we can replace the 3 back teeth, and then we can do 2 little small implant bridges across the front, and then do 3 more individual teeth over here, and you can quite literally get all your teeth replaced with crowns and small bridges. That costs a lot more money. The lab will charge for 1 bridge, and this is 1 fee to make this. If you have the teeth made one at a time or 1 small bridge at a time, that adds up a lot more, and certainly the more implants you put in there, the more the cost goes up. So there you have it. You know, the three basic full mouth implant options. You got an implant Snap-on denture. You got a full mouth implant bridge, and then with more implants, you can literally have full mouth of dental implants.